Hola amigos, today I want to share with you one of my favorite ways to eat jicama. Jicama is something I grew up eating, and my favorite way was just to slice it up and drizzle some lime juice and some chili powder or tajin. And this is actually a very popular way that everybody in Mexico eats it. And it's so easy to make. You're just going to peel the jicama and make sure you have a sturdy surface and a very sharp chef's knife. It'll make the job a lot quicker because jicama is like thick and fibrous and it's kind of difficult to cut. And all you're going to do is chop it up into little sticks. You can also chop it up into bite-sized pieces or leave it sliced however you like. And then, like I said, you're just going to squeeze some fresh lime juice as much as you'd like. And I'm using tajin, but if you don't have tajin, you can just use salt and ground up chili powder. And that's it. Then the best part, you get to enjoy it. Have a beautiful day and let me know if you're a fan of this snack.